Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an automatic light sensor. The automatic light sensor turns on automatically when there is no light. The material needed are LDR, LED bulb, jump wires, Breadboard battery, a breadboard, 2N3904 transistor, resistor, 1K resistor, now let's see how we can put all the components together. Now let's do the rest. Let's take a quick look at the functions of each component and how it's used in this project. Now let's take the first component, the breadboard. This will allow to connect electronic components without the need of soldering. If you need to know more about the breadboard, please check out my website under the learning section dedicated for the components used in my project. Let's take the second component, the 29304 transistor. Transistors have two main functions. The first one is an amplifier. This means making a small electrical signal into a larger and more powerful one. For example, when you talk in a mic, it converts that your small voice into a bigger and louder voice through the speaker. This is called amplification. The second function of the transistor is working as a microscopic switch, allowing current to flow through only at specific times. This means this will allow you to turn on and turn off a circuit or LED bulb. In this project, we used it as a switch. When the LDR doesn't get enough light, the transistor switch is turned on to allow flow of current to light up the LED bulb. If you need to know more about the transistors, please check out my website under the learning section dedicated about components used in my projects. Let's talk about the third component, the LDR or light dependent resistor. This is the type of a sensor. This means just like our eyes can see things, the skin can feel touch, the coldness, the heat, the tongue can feel taste, just like that the LDR can feel the light. When LDR sends light, it changes the amount of current it can flow through it. Now let's talk about the fourth component, the resistor. Resistors are like tiny speed bumps for electricity. They slow down the flow of electricity so that parts of a device don't get too much power. If a part gets too much electricity, it can get damaged, just like a toy can break if you put in the wrong batteries. Resistors make sure everything gets the right amount of electricity to work safely. The last and fifth component is the jumper wires. Jumper wires are like little colorful bridges that help connect parts of an electric circuit. Imagine them as tiny roads or paths that let electricity travel from one place to another. Let's connect all the components together. Now we're done. This is how it works. When there is no light, it will light up. When there is light, it won't work. Thank you for watching my video.